Hello there. Welcome to another tutorial video of GoDial. In this video, we will be discussing about the voice broadcast feature. Now, what is the voice broadcast tool? With voice broadcast, you can do a lot of things. Let's say, for example, you have launched a new product and you want to tell all your customers quickly about it. What you do is you record a message, and at the end, you just simply put that if they are interested, they can press 1. Now they receive a call from a normal number and they hear the entire message. If they're interested, they click 1. The moment they click 1, you get an update on GoDial that yes, this customer is interested and he has pressed 1. The moment he presses 1, what you do is you give them a call back and tell them about all the features of this new product. With voice broadcast, what you can do is not only save a lot of time where you're sending messages to thousands of people in about 30 minutes, but also you're saving a lot of resources. How it works and how you can set it up, we'll tell you in this video. To do it, the first thing that you have to do is you have to sign up on GoDial. If you already have an account, you can simply click on Login. And once you have logged in, on the left hand panel, as always, come under Marketing. And here, click on Voice Broadcast. Once you're here on the Voice Broadcast page, all you have to do is click on Create Campaign. Now, once you have clicked on Create Campaign, you can simply put the name of the campaign. Let's say this is the name. You can select the list. So in GoDial, as you know, you have to import contacts into list. How to add a list and import contacts, we'll put the link of that video in the description box. So we'll select a list here. Let's say we select this one. And as you can see in this particular list, there are 439 contacts. Now, once this is done, you can either add a new audio file from your own system, or what you can do is you can select from a list of approved files, or you can simply add a text and that will be converted into a audio file. Now make sure when you have added the file, it has to be approved by us, and it would take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now once all this is done, you can simply click on capture input. Now let's say somebody has received the call and it's about time that they will be putting in their response. So this is the amount of time that will be taken by them. So you can decide. The next thing that you will get is what type of feedback or what type of response will you get when they press 1. So let's say we select interested. And if they do not, then you can obviously select any of these options. Once all this is done, you simply click on that you agree to all the things and you click save. So your campaign is ready to go. Now all you have to do is click on this button. The moment you click on this play button, your messages will start going to everyone. And you can come and you can check the reports. So let's say we'll come and check the reports. So let's say you come up here and can come to the reports and you'll be able to know who answered and who didn't answer, along with the contact numbers and who even has pressed 1. Now, you have to do your own KYC before doing voice broadcast. To do that, all you have to do is once again go to the settings tab, come under general, and upload your KYC documents. You can obviously upload one of your Aadhaar, PAN, voter, driving license, or passport. And for your business registration, there has to be a GST certificate, MOA, a trade license, and an or a Udyam. Once all this is done, you can go to the voice broadcast and you can broadcast as much as you want. Now, in GoDial, we charge credits for every broadcast. So you can recharge those credits, you can come up to the tool and you can simply click on buy credits and purchase credits as many as you like. To know more about voice broadcast, You can obviously mail us at support@godial.cc or call us. We'll mention all the details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do share, like, and subscribe.